if you don't have steady power supply and you can't afford a proper inverter system and you're looking for a cheap solution to this problem, I think you should watch this video. This video is also for those that are camping, students, and those looking for cheap solar system to send to their parents in the village. In front of me here is something we call Solar Rechargeable Pack. It's from Duravolt, and I'm going to unbox it and tell you what is it, and you're going to see what it came with and how it works. So let's get started. And this is the panel. The panel. This kind of sticker, I think nothing else. It says Duravolt and all the accessories it came with. It says 6 months warranty. I think this is the manual. This is the manual. This is the panel. This is the panel, and then the back of the panel, how it came. Alright, so this is the length of the wire. There's 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, and I think it's about 6 meters, the wire. Here's the pack itself. I think this is the carrier and that. So inside it is a battery. This is the battery. The battery is a 12 volts, 4.5 amps. And that's what is going to be powering all these systems here. This one is the inverter. The inverter board, and I'm going to put the battery inside of it. I'm going to put the battery inside, and when you close it, it's going to connect to the terminals. You see it? When you lock it, it's going to connect to the terminals. Here's the power switch as a cover. When power is on, you can see it's on now. So this one is the handle. Okay. So that's the solar power pack. Oh wow. There's the fan. It came with. Here's the fan. You can see the fan. See the size of my hand, and you can see the fan. It's the back of the fan, the switches, and then there's the length of the wire. Okay, it's quite lengthy, and it says there 0.8 amps charger, 15 volts DC. That's the charger came with. And here is what you can use to mount it, either on the wall or anywhere you want to mount it. Connect it here at the back of the inverter, just like this. Okay. Or you want to mount it on the wall, so like this. Connect and then hang on the wall. So this is the mount, and then we have this connector cable. You can connect it from here to another 12 volt source, you see. And then we have the bulbs, 2 DC bulbs with lengthy wire, you see. Let's see the measurement of the wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is around 6 meters as well. and then the manual. This is the manual. Can you see it? I switch it on. It's on now, and then wow, it's adjustable. Can adjust it. Can adjust it. Here's the power of the fan. Can you see? Here's the DC 12-volt bulb. There are two of them, and it has a switch on it. I'm going to test it. Wow, can you see? Wow, it's bright enough, and you can wire it and keep it anywhere to power your room. There are two of them, two bulbs. It's very bright. It's bright enough, and with the fan, you get yourself a decent power system. You see? Okay, and this solar pack here is very cheap. I bought it for 48,500, and I think you need this if you can't afford a proper inverter system. So I just took this solar panel outside. This is the cable. I took it outside, and you can see it's charging. Can you see it? The red indicator that it's charging the battery. Yeah. So if you don't want to charge the battery using the solar panel, you can use the charger to charge it. Plug it in, and then plug it in. You can see it's charging. It's charging. This is the panel cable. I took the panel outside. If there's no electricity and I can't charge with the charger, then I'm going to use the panel to charge it. You can see it's charging. Can you see it? So if I plug my phone again, it's going to be charging. So if you can't afford a proper inverter system, you're a student, you're going for camping, I think you should try this out. You will like it. The battery inside of this is 4.5 amps, and it's lead acid battery. If the battery starts to misbehave, you can buy another one and replace it. So that's it. If you enjoy this kind of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.